Hello, good evening, everyone. Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Hope all are fine. So, let's start today's session. Join your hands, close your eyes, relax yourself first. Relax your mind, relax your body. We'll say Om 3 times very slowly. First, inhale deeply. Inhale. Inhale. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Hold there for 20 seconds. Again, rub your palm, generate more heat. Hold your face. Release. So let's start today's session. First, we'll do breathing exercises. Breathing exercises are really important. So we'll start with yogic first. How we need to start with breathing exercise. अभी आप लोग कपाल भाती करते हैं, अनुलोम विलोम करते हैं. But firstly, we should start with simple Kriya. Simple Kriya is excellent. Anti-aging Kriya also. In this Kriya, we are understanding our breath. Mind and body is connected with your breath. So we are understanding and more awareness is there. And second, we should start with yogic breathing exercises. We need to breathe from stomach, lungs and chest. Nose se to karenge obviously, but we have to breathe from our stomach, lungs and chest. So let's do it. So let's start yogic breathing exercise, which is very simple. Keep or drop your stomach. Inhale. Exhale. Now drop your stomach. Inhale. Expand. Inhale. Stomach movement is there. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Now lungs. Hold here. Inhale. Expand it properly. Exhale. Let's do it a little slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Now under your armpit, or you can keep your hands like this on your chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. So this is about yogic breathing exercise. Start doing this. This is really important. We should breathe from our stomach, from our lungs, chest. So this is really important. Let's do this again. We are just going to breathe for 3-3 count. Hold your stomach. Hold. Drop it properly. Okay. You're keeping your finger on your belly button. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Now hold here. Inhale. Exhale. This is very good for your respiratory system. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Under your armpit. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Breathing is very important, is a stage because we induce meditation also. So this is really good way we can do meditation. Meditation के लिए भी सांसों पे our breathing should be controlled. और आपको डिजीज फ्री भी रहना है तो भी ब्रीथिंग शुड बी कंट्रोल, माइंड को भी कंट्रोल रखना है, ब्रीथिंग शुड बी कंट्रोल. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू कंट्रोल योर ब्रीथिंग विथ योगिक ब्रीथिंग kriya. Please do that. Now let's do 3 simple kriya. Keep your hand here. Just 3 count. Inhale. Increase the speed of your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last count. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Okay. So let's do Mahakriya also. Mahakriya is very important. We should do Mahakriya before food. A beautiful Kriya, and what all the result, like आपको जो benefits हो रहे हैं, do share with us also. So Mahakriya, interlock your hand. Always try to sit straight in yoga. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. After the exhalation, come forward. Exhale forcefully. Be there for 30 seconds. Come up. Mahakriya is really good Kriya. Do this Kriya before food. But yes, this is the Kriya. This help to control diabetes also. मैंने आपको कल बताया था हमारा पैनक्रेस यहाँ पे होता है. It help to activate your pancreas. अगर इसके बाद 10 मिनट के बाद आप खाना खाएंगे, आपकी बॉडी पे आपको प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन ही मिलेंगे. It's really good to increase the blood circulation also, and it make you more calm. A very good kriya for detoxification. Yes. One thing we can add, if actually किसी को डायबिटीज है, थायराइड है या बीपी है, yesterday we did this clapping meditation, excellent for BP. But if actually if anyone have this problem, any clinical, any कोई issue है, then what you need to do, you have to exhale from your mouth. Let's do it. Interlock. Inhale. Now exhale from your mouth. Excellent. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come forward. Forceful exhalation. 6 count. Be there for 30 seconds. Come up. Okay. Now we'll do a beautiful dhoti kriya, which is excellent for the anti-aging and very good. It make your skin supple, soft, and very good kriya. Let's do it. We'll tell you more benefit. So inhale. Let me. Okay, we'll do together. Inhale. Hold your breath. Fill your mouth with your breath. Release. Best kriya for anti-aging. It is really good. It calm your mind also. Very good to control stress and very good for lifting your cheek up also. It is very easier. You're holding your breath, chin down. Very good for the blood circulation. Let's do it. Inhale. First inhale. Hold. Release. I can hold for a minute, but we can start with 10 second, 20 second. Afterwards, after, because I'm doing it from last more than 4 years. This exercise, this is excellent kriya, but you should start with 10 or 15 second, gradually increase it. Let's do it again. Every kriya, every exercise we have to perform 3 times. Let's do this. Inhale, hold, release, relax yourself. A very good Kriya. So please do this Kriya. I can feel I'm feeling good now after this Kriya. This is excellent, very good Kriya. So now let's start exercises. One more Kriya I would like to tell you. Very good Kriya. Just try to do after food. After 10 मिनट खाना और पानी हमेशा बैठ के लेना चाहिए. Very good principle. डाइट के बारे में विल शेयर डाइट चार्ट विद यू. डाइट में मैं आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी. विटामिन सी, विटामिन लाइक अगर हेयर फॉल का है तो वाइट B12 लेना चाहिए, बट एक लेमन आपको रोज लेना है. और इफ एनीवन इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम थायराइड, आपको डायरेक्ट लेमन नहीं लेना है. देन यू हैव टू ऐड विद हनी, lemon and honey, make a combination. Otherwise, one lemon every day we should take a pest for anti-aging. And diet should be controlled. I'm vegetarian, मैं सबको vegetarian ही बोलती हूँ, but if you are non-vegetarian, non-veg भी कोशिश करिए दिन में खाएं, evening में नहीं खाएं. प्रोटीन होता है, ज़्यादा प्रोटीन होता है, it is very difficult to digest. And please, after 5, we should avoid oily food, junk food. बहुत simple है, eat everything. सब खाना चाहिए, but in a moderate way. And fourth, जो मैं कर रही हूँ, and the best for anti-aging thing, because we should start anti-aging diet also. Amla, very simple, aloe vera and coriander leaves. Coriander leaf is best for your digestion. सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हमारे स्टमक से ही होती है, तो उसको हमेशा हेल्दी रखना है. उसके लिए कोरिएंडर इज बेस्ट. आपको आंवला, एलोवेरा एंड कोरिएंडर लेना है. मेक अ पेस्ट, 1 glass. You can make a paste, 1 teaspoon amla, 1 teaspoon aloe vera, and same 1 teaspoon आपको वो लेना है. मिक्स विद वाटर वीकली ट्वाइस. आप उसको लेके देखें, आपका स्किन सुपर सुपर ग्लो करेगा एंड आपको कभी लिवर पे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. द बेस्ट प्रोसेस क्लेंजिंग, लिवर क्लेंजिंग के लिए सबसे बेस्ट प्रोसेस है. इफ एनीवन इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम पिगमेंटेशन प्रॉब्लम और डायबिटीज के लिए भी सबसे बेस्ट होता है. वी शुड टेक एंटीऑक्सीडेंट डाइट ऑल्सो. सो फॉर एंटीऑक्सीडेंट, माय वेरी इजी थिंग, बे लीफ. टेक अ बे लीफ, जो भी आपको मिले, ड्राई मिले, ग्रीन मिले. सोक इट ओवरनाइट, ड्रिंक दैट वाटर every morning for 14 days. The best for pigmentation. Pigmentation होता है हमारा स्किन का कलर थोड़ा चेंज हो जाता है. In 14 days we can see result, and it is super. It is सबसे ज्यादा highly rich in antioxidant. So bay leaf आपको जरूर लेना है. bay leaf लेना है, lemon लेना है every day. एंड डाइट को बैलेंस रखिए. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ, लाइक आफ्टर माई वर्कशॉप मैं अपना डिनर मोस्टली 80%, आई ट्राई टू फिनिश माई डिनर बाय 8 o'clock. बट प्लीज आप भी कोशिश करिए अपना डिनर जल्दी करने का. एंड ड्रिंक लॉट ऑफ वाटर. एवरी हाफ एन आवर वी शुड टेक हाफ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. सो वेरी सिंपल डाइट. रेस्ट विल शेयर इन अवर वर्कशॉप, एंड 14 days also we are going to share diet chart, so will be good. Now we'll do exercises. For a very good exercise today, we'll do a very easy exercise. So first exercise, kiss the ceiling. Just look up, make a pout. Okay, now hold. How we need to make a pout? First, make a pout properly. I would love to see you all make a pout properly, pushing it in upward direction. Okay, now look up, kiss. Let's do this again for 10 count. A best exercise. It make your skin more softer, supple. Let's do it. Look up, make a pout, release. Look up, make a pout, release. Look up. Oh, sorry, we are already looking up. Make a pout, release. Make a pout, release. Make a pout, release. Make a pout, release. So this is excellent exercise for it give a proper shape, a best shape to our face. Accumulate fat को भी release करती है. This is very good exercise. Very good for bloated face also. Bloated face क्यों होता है? Because we eat lot of saturated fat that contains sodium, and sodium attain water from your body. That's why I always request drink lot of water. Water लेंगे, it clear all the toxins, bad toxins from our body, and excellent हमारी स्किन के लिए भी अच्छा होता है. So let's do this exercise again for 5 count. Make a pout properly. Hold for 5 seconds, then open it. Kiss. Okay. Look up. Make a pout. 5 seconds. Hold. Okay. Release. Make a pout. Release. Pout. Release. Pout. Release. Pout. Release. Pout. Release. Okay. Relax yourself. Now lock your chin down and relax yourself. Just lock your chin down. Okay, come on. So do this exercise. This is a really good exercise. Okay. So now we'll do other exercise for the slimmer face. Slimmer face. Let's do this. Make a balloon. Relax. Make it. Relax. Relax. We can feel the stretch here. This is really good exercise. Let's do this again. Take a sip of water. Then we'll do this exercise again. Okay. Let's do this again. This is very good to control your mouth wrinkle also. Make a balloon. Expand it properly in upward direction. Difficult to hold, but we can do it. Let's do this again. Just 2 more count. First hold. Try to push it up. Relax. Just last count. Push it up. Relax yourself. Now, promised yesterday, we'll do some icing exercise also. Ice is excellent to close your pores. So please do bring ice. I'm giving you 20 seconds. Even I'm going to bring just 20 seconds, bring the ice. Okay, let's start. Start my video. I'm so sorry. I think my video. Okay, so ice is also very good for anti-aging. Either you can take steam just for 3 minutes, not more than that, or ice. Very good to close the pore. So let's start. We need to take a ice and circular massage. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, again chain the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again chain the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So just for 20 count in a circular motion, we have to apply ice weekly twice, not more than that. Okay. Now in your forehead, first just hold here. Okay. Now rotate. Okay. Only how much, like if you have migraine also, this is very good remedy. Okay. Just relax yourself. Okay. Now for your eyes, have to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 count. Chain the side. 1, you have to start from here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Last on your neck, first look up and just press it. Neck massage is excellent to clear all the bad toxins from our face. Now just close your one nose, nostril, and keep your eyes here. Keep the eyes here. Just rotate, light rotation, 10 count. Done. Hold. First hold. Okay, rotate. This actually we do for slimming nose also. Face slim kar rahe hain, nose slimming is also very good. So this is excellent. You have to hold your breath and do like this for 10 count. This is really good. Okay, this last count, 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now keep the eyes here. Release. So this is about icing. Very simple and very easy. We have to do icing. Ice you can use. Ice is very good for anti-aging. Weekly twice, not more than that. And 3 minutes से ज़्यादा नहीं करना है. फेस योगा में मैं 3 exercises बोलती हूँ. तो icing is excellent. 3 minutes. Either you can do icing or you can do steaming. Steam भी कर सकते हैं. Steam is also excellent for closing your pores. वो भी 3 मिनट से ज़्यादा नहीं करना है. सो इट इज वेरी इजी. मैंने आपको बता दिया. एक बार और मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. एक बार और कर लेते हैं. बस 5 काउंट करेंगे, ज्यादा नहीं. विल टेक आइज. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू रोटेट इट प्रॉपर्ली. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now change. Rotate it. 1, rotate it. You should not rotate it properly. 3, 4, 5. Okay, forehead first, keep it here. Okay, rotate. You can do twice or thrice. We'll do twice. Relax. Very good to control migraine also. Rotate. Now, jaw side. Put eyes here and just press it. Look up, press it. Okay. Now for your nose, sorry, for eyes, simply just 3 count. 2, 3. Okay, change the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, get 4. Okay, now for your nose, hold. Change the side, hold. When you have blackheads also, we can hold. Okay, the last, hold here. Release. So this is all we need to do. You can use towel or anything. Excellent eye exercise. Natural, we are doing session. Important is we are going to tell you how we can apply natural makeup also. Makeup bhi, I never apply any makeup. आज थोड़ा सा काजल भी smudge हो गया. That's why I don't apply anything. So icing is excellent. Natural. I will tell you more exercises with icing in our 14 days workshop. But please do this. This is very good. Circular one and nose one, slimming nose. It is excellent. Do that and you can see the changes. Weekly twice we have to do. आपको एक्ने और पिंपल्स का प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं होगा. अब जिन लोगों को एक्ने पिंपल है, दे कैन एक्चुअली take rose water and neem. I told you yesterday also, neem 5-7 leaves we can take and rose 5-7 leaves and you can make, आप मिक्सी में उसको अच्छे से पेस्ट बना के then ice cube बना के apply that. Excellent. If anyone have that problem, acne problem, it is really good. Either you can make water, boil it boil it just 5-7 minutes, keep it warm. You can make water or you can make ice cubes also. So दोनों अच्छा work करेंगे. We can preserve 6-7 days. We can preserve it. It is excellent. Okay. Now we'll do. We are doing more exercises. Keep your 3 finger here. Okay. Oh, just curl your lips inside and smile. Relax. You're pushing it up, curling your lips inside, and smile properly inside. हंसते रहना चाहिए हमेशा. Let's do this. Relax. Last count. Hold. Curl your lips inside and smile properly. Relax. Release. Now, a very good exercise. This is anti-aging exercise. Keep your thumb inside and hold. Relax. You're keeping your thumb. This is very good to control your laughing lines and very good for slimming face also. You are pushing it up. We are slimming face from here, not from here. You are lifting your cheek up. Let's do it in upward direction. Close your eyes. Hold there for 10 seconds. Release. Relax. Let's do this again. Relax. Last. Relax. Okay. Now we'll do for the slimming face. Excellent exercise is balloon pose. Let's do balloon pose. Make a balloon and hold. Relax. Okay. We're pushing it up. First, make balloon properly. Last. Relax. One more time. Try to push it up. This is very good for lifting your facial fat, lifting your cheeks up excellent exercise and very good. यहाँ का जो fat है उसको reduce करने में it is excellent. Fat को reduce करना है but we should look younger also. जब हम देखते हैं वेट लॉस करते हैं सबसे ज्यादा इफेक्ट हमारे फेस पे करता है. सो प्लीज दैट्स व्हाई मैं सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ डू फेस योगा ऑल्सो बिकॉज फेस योगा बॉडी का कर रहे हैं फेस का भी करना चाहिए. अ वेरी गुड वे टू कंट्रोल अवर एज एंड वाटर इज वाटर जो भी हमने किया है दिस इज रियली गुड टू टाइटन योर मसल्स and we can easily control 5 to 6 age 6-year age with face yoga. So do this exercise again. This is very good to control your mouth wrinkle. But first, just press here. Okay. Push it up properly. First, you're pushing your face up. Eyes more wider. You are allowing more oxygen to get in and very good to increase blood circulation. Excellent exercise. Just for my sake, we are going to do for 2 more count. Make a balloon properly. Eyes more wider. Relax. Light massage with your finger. It is really good. It improves the texture also. It improve आपका जो भी we apply cosmetic तो सब outer होता है. Outer is also important. We'll tell you tomorrow why we need to apply cream, what are all the things we can apply for our face. But yes, inner is very important more than outer. हमेशा internal is very important. If you do facial yoga exercise time हमें कुछ लगाने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी. Okay, one principle: wash your face. Wash your face before like starting facial classes, face yoga. So, how we need to wash our face? Very simple. अब तो खैर दिल्ली में गर्मी हो गई है. First, warm water. मॉर्निंग में फेस वॉश नहीं अप्लाई करना. मॉर्निंग में उठ के जो नेचुरल ऑयल प्रोड्यूस होता है, सारी रात आप सोते हैं, नेचुरल ऑयल होता है, तो यू शुड वॉश विद वार्म वाटर. देन आफ्टर just 2-3 minutes we can wash with normal or cold water. First warm water, then normal and cold water. So ये बहुत अच्छा प्रिंसिपल होता है. आपकी मसल्स मतलब आपकी स्किन हमेशा टाइट रहेगी. फर्स्ट विद वार्म वाटर देन विद कोल्ड वाटर. एक बार आप इसको ट्राई करके देखें. इट इज एक्सीलेंट. ओके, नाउ इफ एनीवन हैव किसी को अगर पिगमेंटेशन का प्रॉब्लम है, whatever face wash you are using, that's okay. फेस वॉश में आपको राइस फ्लोर होता है, चावल का आटा, राइस फ्लोर से आपको स्क्रबिंग करना है just for 2 minutes, weekly twice, not every day, weekly twice we can do that. And अगर किसी को पिगमेंटेशन ज्यादा है, I'm not taking pigmentation class today but will tell you, पिगमेंटेशन ज्यादा है, so weekly once we can apply papaya. Excellent to control pigmentation. If anyone have dark circle, eyes ka, aloe vera, 80% our problem is solved with aloe vera. So you can apply aloe vera and do this eye massage. It is excellent. Keep it for 3 minutes. That is all we need to do. Okay, but tomorrow we'll tell you briefly what things we can apply, because मेरे से लोग पूछते हैं face wash कौन सा use करें, cream कौन सा use करें. So we'll tell you properly tomorrow. So first, let's do all the exercises again. I'm not doing in sequence, but we will. मेरे को भी थोड़ा याद नहीं रहता. Please, let's do it. Okay, we are doing this exercise also. This is excellent for the face slimming. Hold for 20 seconds. Relax. Okay. Relax. Kiss the sky. Hold for 5 seconds first. Make a pout properly. Hold. 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 Okay. Now we'll do Dhati Kriya also. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Relax. Okay. Balloon pose. Push it up. Eyes more wider. Relax. We'll do it again. 5 more seconds. Push it up. Eyes wider. Release. We'll do it again. Release. Okay. Make a balloon properly. Relax. 3 finger. Curl your lips inside and smile. Relax. Curl your lips inside and smile. Relax. Curl your lips and smile. Relax. Curl your lips inside and smile. Relax. Last two count. Curl your lips inside and smile. Relax. Curl your lips inside and smile. Relax. This is very good to control your facial fat. Yesterday we did this exercise. This is to control your sleeping wrinkle. Similar like this only. Let's do this again. Please pose. Change the side. Change the side. Change the side. Okay. Squeeze one. Let's do squeeze pose also. Very good to control mind. Release. We'll do it again. Release. We'll do it again. Release. Relax yourself. Lock your chin down and relax for a minute. Now keep your finger behind and just light massage on your neck. Or you can do tapping massage. Relax. Come up. Okay. Now the last exercise, one is pose, will do. Keep your hand properly. Keep your hand here. Always try to sit straight. Look up. Or if you are if you are 40s, if you are in 40s, so you can stand up properly and do this exercise. Look up. First, stretch your neck properly. Now pull your tongue out. Relax, release, lock your chin down. Do this again with me. Look up, tilt your head back properly, stretch your neck, pull your tongue out. Relax, release, roll your neck down properly. Be there for 20 seconds. Look up. Pull your tongue out again. Look down, roll your neck down. Release. Do this. Excellent for your thyroid. If anyone is suffering from thyroid, yesterday we did best exercise for the thyroid, and this is really good for this is anti-aging exercise. Excellent. आपके एज को भी कंट्रोल करेगी, स्किन को भी, आपके मसल्स को भी टाइट रखेगी, स्किन को सॉफ्ट रखेगी. Okay, so now let's do meditation in Anjali Mudra. The thumb on chest. Keep it on your chest. Close your eyes. Relax yourself. Inhale deeply. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your mind, relax your body. Feel your body from inside. We'll say Om louder. Inhale first. Inhale. Inhale. Feel the vibration, feel your body, relax yourself. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Again, rub your palm, generate more heat. You can open your eyes. Like that's much. Thank you. Really, thank you so much. Thank you for joining. I request host if any questions are there.
Hi, Mansi. Thank you so much for such a wonderful session. Yeah, we've opened the chat box for people to ask questions. Uh, can you please tell us the drink that you spoke about for pigmentation?
Okay. Excellent. Bailey water is very,
Can't
very.
hear you.
Bay leaf water is highly rich in antioxidant. So बे लीफ वाटर मैं एक्चुअली सबको बोलती हूँ सब लें लेकिन पिगमेंटेशन के लिए सबसे बेस्ट होता है बे लीफ वाटर. सोक द लीफ overnight. आपको soak करना है. Drink that water every morning for 14 days. You can see lot of changes. Your skin will glow. You know, it is very nice. Bay leaf water. Green मिले या dry मिले, soak it overnight. If sometime we miss, then boil it. You can see in 5 minutes the color is changed. In 5 minutes, me stain it and drink it.
Thanks, Mansi. Uh, Mansi, what is the best position to sit in while doing face yoga?
Try to sit straight. I'm sitting in sofa right now.
Can't hear you again.
Always try to sit straight in yoga. It is very important. Right now I'm sitting in sofa. You can sit in Vajrasana. You can sit in by folded legs, or I'm sitting like this. You can do along with me. But always keep your shoulders straight. 45-degree neck. So this is the proper position, proper way. Thank you.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, can we apply ice directly on the face?
Yes, we can apply. It is really good. We can apply ice weekly twice, or either you can apply ice or you can take steam also, just for 3 minutes. Directly, I applied directly today. It is really good. Excellent.
Thanks, Mansi. Pigmentation, a lot of people have asked. We'll be covering it on the last day of workshop, so do not worry. What are the timings for 14-day workshop? Same 6:30 to 7:30, Monday onwards, the next Monday. I'll put the link in the chat box for everybody again. If you would like to register for the 14-day workshop, please use this link to make the okay. Please use this link to register. Recordings we'll be sharing. Do not worry about the recordings. Once the workshop is over, we'll be sharing all the recordings with you. Okay, Mansi, should we okay, while doing, I think, some particular pose, should we exhale from mouth or nose?
Okay, I think she's talking about Mahakriya.
I think yeah, Mahakriya.
So yes, yes, you can exhale. Mouth से आपको तब करना है. It is very good. Exhalation is important. It clear all the bad toxins from your body. तब करना है. If anyone is facing, if anyone is suffering from diabetes, BP or thyroid, then this is excellent. In 7-8 days, we can see a lot of changes. Okay. Now it is okay. Someone is asking, speak louder. Sorry.
Yeah. For that, only for the 5 seconds, it's an issue. If we already have a leaner face, is it advisable to do slimming face exercises?
Yes, we can do. वैसे भी आप मेरा भी face slim है. It is good, very toned face. So it is really good. Facial yoga is actually good for toning also. So we can do that, no problem.
Thanks, Mansi. In the balloon practice, should we hold the breath?
No, we should not hold our breath. Yes, if अगर आपको acne का problem है, pimples का problem है, then only we should hold our breath. Otherwise, in facial yoga, we are not holding breath. कोई भी pose कर रहे, we are not holding it at all.
And do we need to apply oil before doing all these face yoga exercises?
You can apply oil or you can apply moisturizer. मैंने तो कुछ भी apply नहीं किया है. I just washed my face and came like this. You can apply if you want. If your skin is dry, you can apply. No issues. It will be good.
Mansi, if somebody has migraine, can they still apply ice?
Excellent. If you have migraine problem, in our 14 days workshop, we'll tell you the points that you can press. Very good to control migraine. मुझे भी थोड़ा headache था, but we'll tell you the best exercises that is for sure that will help you to control headache and migraine. And yes, ice is very good. अगर आप यहाँ पे वेगस यहाँ पे आप होल्ड करेंगे, नर्व्स होती है यहाँ पे होल्ड करेंगे, this is excellent. Second point, arch of your brow, just hold here. Very good to control migraine. Third point, corner of your brow. Hold for 10 seconds. Hold ice here, arch of your brow and corner of your brow. Excellent to control migraine. 10 seconds we can hold it.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, could you suggest something for droopy eyes?
We are covering it. I think tomorrow we are doing that for the eye, but we'll tell you one exercise.
Can't hear you.
Tomorrow I think we are doing for the eye, or we are going to cover it, but we'll tell you one exercise for droopy eyelid. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now push it up. Push it up properly. Close your eyes. Open, close your eyes. Open, close your eyes. Open, close your eyes. Open, close your eyes. Open. Do this exercise. This is very good for droopy eyelid. And yes, we'll cover in our workshop. We'll teach you 7-8 exercises. Excellent for the eye.
Thanks, Mansi. There's a question from Preeta. When you tap massage, do you just run fingers around the face, or should we apply any pressure or upward movement?
Finger on the face. It is excellent for the blood circulation. And
Can't hear you.
just finger on the face. It is actually good. Tapping massage, we should not put much pressure in our face. Just light. Only we are doing tapping. This is very good to waking up your muscles को wake up वो कर रहे हैं, waking up your muscle, and very good for the blood circulation also. Just do it like this. Don't put pressure.
Mansi, your voice is very low.
Okay. Now it is okay.
Yeah, we can hear you, but it's low.
Let me check.
Shubhangi's asked, while doing the look up exercises, when we take neck up, I start to get a little neck pain.
Okay. If you get neck pain, that's why मैं सबसे हमेशा बोलती हूँ, what you need to do, just look down, tapping one, and push it in upward direction. Okay, release. If you're getting any neck pain, we should take rest for 10 seconds, then you can start again. That's okay. Because I understand होता है exercises कर रहे your is in exercises से your neck is properly getting stretched, and these are very good exercises, but you can take rest for 10 seconds. No issues.
Thanks, Mansi. Uh, so, Sangeeta's asked, I am above 45 years and I have sagging skin. Now, at this age, I cannot expect skin like a young girl, but reducing chin fat might help. Can you guide something for chin fat?
How old? I'm so sorry.
Can't hear you.
I missed her age. How old she is?
She's above 45.
You're young. 45 is okay. So you should guess my age also. 45, very young, no problem. Yes, we'll tell you two exercises which are really good. जब आप 70 पहुंचना तब बोलना हम old हुए. अभी you are young. So hold here. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Okay. Now hold here again. This is for neck pain also. अभी आप मेरे को remind करा दिया. Look up and make a pout. Hold here. Make a pout. Relax, release. Now the third one. Neck circle. Hold for 10 seconds. Again. Hold. Again. Hold. So do these three exercises. These are really good exercises. And we can apply, you can apply any oil also for neck. This is actually very good lymphatic drainage massage also. We are going to cover in our 14 days workshop, but please do that.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, there's a question. Please, can you repeat the ice cube again, which we can make with three ingredients?
With two. If anyone have pimples, then you can take rose, we can take rose water, or you can take natural petals of rose and 6 7 leaves, 6 7 leaves of neem. Just that is okay. एक ग्लास में बॉईल करना है 5 6 petal of rose, 5 6 leaves एक ग्लास में. आफ्टर 5 6 minute आप उसको मतलब लाइक यू कैन मेक अ आइस क्यूब. पहले उसको अच्छे से वार्म करके यू कैन keep it in fridge, or you can apply like this for 5 6 days. It is very good for किसी को भी एक्ने का प्रॉब्लम है, स्किन ग्लो करेगी, और this is really good to close the pore also. So we can take that. Rose and neem leaves.
Thanks. A lot of questions about acne, pigmentation, and double chin. Double chin we'll be covering tomorrow. And on the last day will be acne, pigmentation, and dark circles. So please attend the sessions, the last session. Mansi, could you suggest something for puffy eyes?
For the puppy eyes, first request is that at night we should massage starting of your cheekbone. Just massage here. And for the puppy eyes and for the eyes, either you can use aloe vera or you can use almond oil.
Can't hear you,
Excellent.
Mansi.
Okay. For the puppy eyes, first we have to start with this eye massage. Either you can use aloe vera. 80% of the problem will be solved with aloe vera, or you can apply almond oil. Excellent to control dark circle, puffiness. So you can massage 50 count. That you can do, and rest we are going to cover in our workshop. We'll tell you more exercise that you can actually we can do.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, can somebody with acne do all these face yoga exercises?
Well, actually, आपको अगर एक्ने का प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे भी था. अभी my skin is very clear with face yoga. मैंने सिर्फ facial exercises करी हैं. I never applied anything. Yes, sometimes that rose water and neem water. Sometimes pimple हो जाता है, and excellent work करता है, antibacterial होता है. And all the exercises you can see lot of changes in a month only. आपको अगर acne है, we can see the result, visible results.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, any suggestions for freckles?
Yes, अभी मैंने आज अपने प्रोग्राम में आपके सेशन में बताया भी है. Rose
Can't hear
water.
you.
Okay. Today I have actually discussed, I have told you about any face wash, whatever face wash you are using, any face wash, we can take, we can add rice flour weekly twice, not more than that. That is also good to control freckles. And second thing, what you can do is this exercise is excellent. Curl your lips inside and smile. Relax, release. Again, have to start from here. Keep a gap of one finger. Curl your lips inside. This is very good exercise that you can do, and you can let me know the changes also.
Mansi, a lot of people are asking about the liver cleansing drink. Can you please repeat it?
Yes, very easy, the best, because I'm taking it from last many years. Excellent. Weekly twice we should take amla, aloe vera, and coriander leaves. Coriander is excellent for your digestion. So अभी कितनी चीजें हम लोग खा लेते हैं, digestion आपका digestive system अच्छा रहना चाहिए. So this 3 thing we can take. Please take that weekly twice. 1 teaspoon each. Mix it with that weekly twice.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, you spoke about icing. Can icing be done during winters?
Yes, we can do weekly twice. We are not doing it more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Yes, today also we did just for 2 minutes. So we can do. It is excellent. It is really good.
Thanks, Mansi. A lot of people are asking about bay leaf. I think they did not understand we're talking about bay leaf. That's also called tej patta. Uh,
तेजपत्ता सबसे अच्छा होता है एंटीऑक्सीडेंट में. सबसे ज्यादा रिच अगर कुछ एंटीऑक्सीडेंट में है तो तेजपत्ता. वी टेक लॉट ऑफ fruits, vegetable, antioxidant diet is very important. It help anti-aging चीजें लेनी चाहिए. After 30 we should start taking anti-aging food in our diet. We should add anti-aging diet food also. So तेज पत्ता अगर आप और कुछ नहीं ले रहे, we can take तेज पत्ता. सबसे rich and सबसे best होता है. Soak it overnight. Drink that water every morning for 14 days. You can see the changes. If you miss some time, then boil it, strain it, and drink it. That is all we need to do.
Thanks, Mansi. Anita ji, I have missed your question. I can see you have sent a question. I can't see the question. So if you can write it again, I'll quickly ask because I can see you've asked something. What is the position of hands in Mahakriya?
I'll tell you again. My favorite kriya. I'm sitting in sofa. You can see, or we can sit in Vajrasana or folded leg. However you're comfortable. Always try to sit straight. Now keep your hand here. Just relax your hand. Keep your hand properly. आपका पैनक्रेस यहाँ पे होता है. Keep it properly. Now inhale. Exhale. Simple kriya. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. We can exhale from mouth if anyone is suffering from diabetes, BP or thyroid. We'll do it. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come forward. Exhale forcefully. 6 count. Come up. 3 काउंट ऊपर करने हैं, 6 काउंट नीचे करने हैं. एक्सेल कर रहे हैं. एक्सेलेशन इज रियली गुड. आपकी बॉडी से जो भी बैड टॉक्सिन्स होंगे वो क्लियर करेंगे. एंड दिस इज वेरी गुड बिकॉज आप यहाँ पे हाथ रख रहे हैं. दिस इज वेरी गुड टू एक्टिवेट योर पैनक्रेस. इसके 10 मिनट के बाद अगर आप फूड इनटेक करते हैं, फूड खाते हैं, दिस इज एक्सीलेंट टू कंट्रोल ओबेसिटी ऑल्सो. एंड वेरी गुड, आपकी बॉडी में आपको प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन ही मिलेंगे. Thank you.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, yeah, I got Anita ji's question. She's asked that she's 54 years old. So will face yoga help with aging lines, which are already set?
Yes, definitely. Definitely it will help and you can see the result also. But please do practice regularly and do along with me. Is a अच्छी बात है बिकॉज आप लोग मेरे से प्रॉपरली समझ सकते हैं. समटाइम हम लोग ठीक से नहीं कर पाते, दैट्स व्हाई आपको पेन होता है. दैट्स ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे उसको ठीक करेंगे. बट डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट.
A lot of people have asked that you've shown so many exercises, how to decide what to do. So for them we'll be doing, Mansi will be showing us a short routine which we can follow every day on the 5th day, so do not worry about that. Mansi, sorry,
प्लीज मेक श्योर यू आर डूइंग एवरी एक्सरसाइज. सी एक्चुअली बहुत सिंपल है. 2 एक्सरसाइजेस हमें चिक्की करनी चाहिए. 2 फॉर द डबल चिन, for the nose we did today very good. Icing 1 for the forehead, for the eyes. Try to do exercises. Yes, मैं तो आपको बहुत सारी exercises कराती हूँ because there are many exercises and all are excellent, but try to do exercise every day.
Thanks, Mansi. Just one last question. Can you suggest something for eye wrinkles?
Yes, we'll do one exercise today for eye wrinkle, and we are doing in our workshop also 7 exercises. Let's do V pose. Is excellent. Starting of your eyebrow, edge of your eyebrow, the corner of your starting and corner. Just hold here first. Why middle finger, index finger? Because it is connected with your brain and nervous system. This is really good to control. आपकी eyesight के लिए भी अच्छा होता है ये. Now stretch it down and turn your eyeball up or look up, however you're comfortable. Relax, release. 10 second, like 10 second each, three set karne hain. This is excellent exercise to control your eye wrinkle. And please make sure you're doing eye massage. Stretch it properly, make proper 8. Stretch it properly, make proper 8. For the eye, aloe vera or either almond oil. आप दोनों में से कोई भी एक चूज करके start using it at night. Excellent for your wrinkles also. It helps to reduce wrinkle.
Thanks so much, Mansi, for such a wonderful session.
Everyone, take care, stay happy, take care. Bye.